Welcome back to the Journal Audit tutorial series. The Edusia audit is fully built, and now it is time to learn to read it. Module 03 walks through the overview panel, 6 metric cards, the journal profile, and the findings digest, then maps the 15 report sections on the tiered sidebar. The goal is simple. You know exactly where every answer lives. Let us reopen the Edusia journal audit we finished building in the previous module. In the Saved Audits list, click the Edusia entry. The full report loads at once. On arrival, the guide greets you with a suggested step. We close it first and begin at the Overview panel. 6 metric cards at the top summarize the journal's health at a single glance. The first 2 cards gauge data coverage, how many articles were actually analyzed, and how many citations are on record. Metadata completeness is the audit's foundation. A low score means the later analyses must be read with more care. Open Access reads the share of open articles and the DOAJS status, 2 things indexing services always check. The last 2 cards are the assessor's favorites, how well articles align with the scope, and the anomaly signal count. The journal profile card pins down the audited identity, name, publisher, ISSNL, and OpenAlex ID. The data range and the available article count bound the audit's claims. The report speaks only of analyzed data. Non-article records, such as covers and tables of contents, are excluded, so the article statistics stay undistorted. 2 links beneath open the journal site and the OpenAlex page for independent cross-checking. Beside it, the findings digest is the fast lane. Each row sums up one dimension and links to its detailed section. The audit results sidebar carries 15 report sections arranged in tiers, free, pro, then pro plus. The free tier builds the data foundation, overview, sources, records, and metadata quality. This order is the product's philosophy. Fix the data first, because every analysis is only as strong as its metadata. The Pro tier holds the analyses publishing, visibility, the citation audit block, diversity, integrity, scope, and anomalies. The Pro Plus tier closes with evidence verification. Humans examine machine findings before they become editorial decisions. Let us test the navigation. Click Records, and the panel switches instantly without reloading the page. Click Overview to return. The section currently open is always highlighted on the sidebar. Whenever you are unsure where to go, the Guide button reads the audit state and suggests the next step. Its advice is contextual. Before metadata is complete, it points to records. Once analyses are ready, it points to findings. Close it with the Got It button. The guide can be summoned at any time without changing any data. The report map is in hand. Next, we examine where all of this audit data comes from. The map of the report is now in your hands. Metrics on top, findings in the middle, and 15 sections on a sidebar, ordered from data foundation to human verification. In the next module, we open the sources section to see where all this audit data comes from. See you there.